Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the SARUNN Smart Ring, a compact health and fitness tracker designed to sit comfortably on your finger while monitoring a range of wellness metrics. The SARUNN Smart Ring comes in a sleek rose gold finish and is available in multiple sizes. So it's important to check the size chart and measure your finger before purchasing to ensure the perfect fit. This ring aims to combine style, convenience, and functionality, making it an interesting option for anyone who wants to track their health discreetly. One of the standout features of this smart ring is its comprehensive health monitoring. It's capable of tracking your steps, exercise routes, calories burned, speed, heart rate, and blood oxygen levels. Whether you're running, walking, cycling, hiking, or even doing yoga, the ring can automatically record your activity and sync the data to its companion app on both iOS and Android devices. Beyond exercise, it also provides 24/7 tracking of your heart rate and blood oxygen, giving you a complete picture of your overall health throughout the day. For sleep enthusiasts, the SARUNN offers an intelligent sleep tracking mode. It analyzes the quality of your sleep, breaking it down into deep sleep, light sleep, and periods of wakefulness. All of this information is displayed in the app with detailed sleep metrics and professional style reports. This feature allows you to make informed adjustments to your lifestyle and improve your sleep quality over time. The design of the ring is another highlight. It's ultra thin and lightweight, so you barely feel it on your finger. Despite its small size, it packs a strong battery that can last up to 5 days on a single charge. If used with the included smart charging case, the battery life can extend up to 30 days, making it extremely convenient for users who don't want to charge it constantly. The ring is also IP68 waterproof, capable of withstanding depths of up to 80 meters. So it's suitable for everyday use, workouts, and even swimming. A major advantage of this smart ring is that it comes with no subscription fees. Once you purchase the device, you gain full access to all features of this health monitoring app without any ongoing costs. This includes real-time health tracking and personalized advice for better health management. In the box, you get the smart ring, a charging case, a USB charging cable, and a user manual, giving you everything you need to start monitoring your health right away. Overall, this smart ring is designed for people who want an unobtrusive, stylish, and comprehensive health tracking device on their finger, combining convenience, durability, and advanced monitoring capabilities. That wraps up our review of this smart ring. If you're looking for a wearable that is compact, feature-rich, and subscription-free, this ring is worth considering. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product critiques like this one.